rich and creamy, high protein, and low carb. It's my spinach dip chicken skillet. And it's basically just a few simple ingredients. Some garlic cream cheese, heavy cream, butter, spinach, Parmesan cheese, and some chicken. Now, I always like to cook my chicken in advance and just happen to sous vide this one. But you just need to do a little prep before we move on over to the skillet. First, slice or dice your chicken breast. And we'll just need to mince our garlic really quick. And then just measure out our heavy cream. About 3 tablespoons worth. And then head on over to the skillet. So first you want to get your butter melted up and then your garlic going. And basically as soon as that aroma hits the air, that wonderful garlic aroma, you're good to go to the next step, which is cream cheese and the heavy cream. Just stir in that cream cheese until it melts. It happens pretty quickly. In fact, this whole thing just comes together super quick. The thing that takes the longest to cook is actually the spinach, which makes this perfect for a weeknight meal. Then we'll throw in our grated Parmesan cheese and mix it well. Now, this will start turning into what kind of reminds me of like dough forming in the pan, and that's okay. It'll get really thick. Just make sure it's all melted and well mixed. And then we'll throw in our spinach. So when the spinach starts to wilt, it'll release quite a bit of water, and that'll help our cheese dough at the bottom of the pan there turn into a nice, thick, creamy sauce. You see it's getting a little looser now. And perfect. And if it's still a little too thick, you can always throw a couple splashes of heavy cream in the pan and mix that in just to loosen it up a little if you need it. Then we'll just throw in our diced chicken, and you basically just want to warm that through, and you're done. Little salt, little black pepper. And you got this super satisfying, ultra comfy, super filling, low carb, high protein meal, ready in under like 15 minutes. Make sure to subscribe and like the video so YouTube knows you're hungry for more. I'm Cooking with Chris. I'll catch you on the next one.